Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your Onyx Boox Note 5. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Inside you need to click on your Note 5 right here. Then there's a factory reset at the bottom, click on it. Make sure to back up all of your files, as in that process all of them will be deleted and removed from this device. And when you're ready, click on Erase All Data. You'll need to enter your PIN if one is set up on this specific tablet, and then click on Erase All Data. Wait till the process is finished and you'll be able to begin a setup. You can watch our previous video, as we've shown you right there, how to perform the first setup. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.